The availability of data in all of its forms in our time is changing the practice of communications as we've known it. It's been called the new natural resource, and I think that's a really good metaphor for it because it's a basis of competitive advantage if we know how to collect the data. The data is inside of our companies through all the different transaction systems that we have. The data is outside of our companies. It's being created by social media, by sensors, by RFID tags, by cameras. And what it means for communicators is we are always been interested in reaching people. But the reality is, for decades, the tools at our disposal, we've been reaching mass audiences and segments of populations. We really haven't been able to reach and understand individuals based on their unique characteristics, their behavior, their journeys, their intent. Now we can. So it gives us new material to work with, it provides us new tools, and ultimately it helps us hone our craft and the outcomes that we can deliver to our companies and institutions so that we can now engage individuals rather than segments of populations. And that is a profound shift in how we thought of our profession. You often hear about us moving into a world of predictive analytics, and every time we go to some online retailer and put into our shopping basket a product or two, we see, well, people who like these things tend to like these things, or since you bought this, you might also like these accessories. Well, what are they doing there? Using data, past buying patterns of consumers, they're anticipating or predicting, if you will, some future need. And they're trying to stimulate that with us. So just take that same capability and apply it to any audience, whether it's a consumer, a customer, a citizen, or our own employees. Can we, on the basis of data, predict what they'll need or want and then put that thing in front of them? That's what we mean by moving from a world of reactive to proactive to predictive.